gonna call Housebusters! Another day, another vlog,
another house
renovation. We've got our beautiful costumes on. It's time to finish prepping all the walls so we can paint them. So yesterday we actually prepped Zach's bedroom and Sara and Keith's main bedroom with the wall protector and stuff, but we're gonna go along and do the edges and do a couple more layers and stuff because the walls are a bit disgusting. And then we're gonna start painting later on. Let's go! So girlies, how are you feeling?
Dirty.
Let me just take a minute to appreciate how disgusting the roof is. Yuck! So I think it's like day 5 or 6 of the renovations, and today we're going to start painting, which is very exciting because all we've been doing is cleaning and priming because the house is a little bit disgusting, but that's okay. We're up for a challenge. We're going to have a quick look at Veronica's granny flat, which, bearing in mind, needs a lot of work doing, so just keep that in mind when we have a look because I think it's going to be a bit stinky. But yeah, I'll just quickly show you the outside of the main house, which is here. So just for future reference, this is like a before. It's a bit multicolored, it's a bit funky looking. We're gonna have to sort that out. And then over here is the granny flat slash garage. So that's crap that needs to go in the bin. And then here is Veronica's granny flat. So I think they're gonna put like a French door here because currently her door's here but she keeps tripping over here, so it's probably just gonna end at like the hospital or something. So let's go inside and have a look. Just kidding, I can't because it's locked. Pedals! Okay, so as you can tell, this granny flat needs a lot of work.
Granny.
So,
there she is.
what are our plans for Veronica's granny flat?
Okay, I'll explain. This door here.
Wait, let me just hold the camera like this. Okay. Here.
Yeah, it's going to be blocked off. Okay?
Yeah.
Then there's going to be an archway goes in this wall.
Yeah.
Which one?
That wall there.
You're not gonna have an archway outside. There's a monkey.
The arch is gonna go here. Yeah. I don't think she understands.
And originally we were gonna knock through into the bathroom from here, but to put the bed in, that would take up too much wall.
Yeah.
So the toilet is still gonna have.
So these two rooms, this is gonna be blocked off, and it's gonna be one large bedroom, isn't it?
It's gonna be an archway.
Yeah.
So the bed's gonna go in on this half.
And then
that
it'll be
door
like.
will still be there.
Yeah.
And then you go through there, and it's gonna be like a big dressing room.
Yeah.
Now we're going to go to the bathroom.
It's a bit gross, isn't it? Go inside and show us.
Don't want to.
You're gonna have to. So this is the current situation. Oh, we've got some candles going to make it smell nice, but basically this is all gonna be burned to the ground and then rebuilt, isn't it? Should we have a look at the toilet? What's up with that toilet? Oh my god! Ooh, is that the shower?
Look inside.
Ooh, did people stand in that and clean themselves?
Look.
Oh no. It's black.
She's on the seat. Like hell.
Alright, so let's carry on with day 5 of renovation. Oh god.
Pink delicious. You've got to admit. We've got extra large for your extra large head.
I think I was only a large, but actually it's quite comfortable.
How do you stop this?
How do I look? I feel like I need to loosen it a bit because now I look like bodybuilder. To day 6 of the house renovation.
Oh!
So, okay.
Walls, ceilings, bedrooms. We're on a mission.
Let's go. Nearly finished Zach's room. God, it's been taking a long time, but it's beginning to look really, really good, which is very exciting. So, yeah. So Zach's walls are officially painted. We need to do the cornices and everything, and the skirting boards, the doors and everything, but the walls are done. Time to do the master bedroom. Let's go. Let's go. So the master bedroom's all painted. That's day 6